Go ahead.
Yes,
Take it by the tail.
It's a video, Chitty.
Go ahead. There you go.
What are you doing?
Just like apple.
Tastes like what?
It's kind of like apple, just good.
She thinks it's like an apple.
No, the onions.
Alright. Good girl. Say lekker.
Lick it.
Lekker smacken. The matcha.
Lick it.
Lekker.
More. Eat some more.
Alright. It's good.
Yeah.
Good for you. Alright. Alright, ladies. Perfect.
Try it.
So, I have some already. So,
Oh, no, I'll talk.
give us your honest opinion. How do you like this fish?
It's good.
I like it.
These onions are just like apples.
Really? It's nice and
The
sweet?
fish.
They're supposed to be good.
Alright.
Oh, slimy at first.
Yeah,
But it's
Alright. Good job.
Can I see the video of these?
Hold on. We'll say that.
Nice and juicy. Very
You're about to drop it.
juicy and wet.
Slow.
Alright. Okay, so two of you like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all we need right there. So this is the fish that the Dutch eat.
This is a fish that the Dutch eat.
And this is the fish that the Dutch eat.
And it is...
Good. Awesome. Great.
It's Erik lekker.
It's Erik
This is
lekker.
good for your tummy. Very yummy.
It's Erik
All right.
lekker.
Alright, so good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Alright.
Adios.
Bye-bye.
Bonjour. Whatever.